Namaskar. Today I, Shashwat Pandey, will tell you something about Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is a name which is very much familiar to everybody. Today on 19th February 2020, I would like to tell you that this is Shivaji Jayanti, or the birth date of Shivaji. Shivaji is the creator of the Maratha Empire, mighty Maratha Empire, which spanned from Attock to Cuttack. Attock in Peshawar and Cuttack in near Calcutta and Odisha. So first I would like to start with what is the significance of Shivaji. Shivaji made the impossible also possible. Nobody had ever thought at that period of time when the Mughal Empire was at its peak nobody had even thought of it that somebody could have defeated this mighty empire, Mughal Empire. But Shivaji didn't just thought of it; he also executed it. So he was not only a strategist but also an executor. He has won countless victories over the Mughals, and yes, he has lost a little of them too. The biggest lesson we should take from Shivaji is never to lose hope. He has seen several setbacks in his life, and many of them could have even ended his empire and his life also. But he never lost hope and continued fighting against the Mughals. Shivaji must be remembered all the time, and his name should be written in golden words in books, because he was truly a hero of Indian history. Few are those who could match his geniuses in such a time and in such crisis where nobody could have thought of someone like him. So with this, I would like to come to a conclusion of my talk. Shivaji must be remembered all throughout the ages, because many setbacks and failures he faced in life, and the lessons we must learn from his life are very useful in the challenges we encounter in our daily lives. So Shivaji is very much relevant as he was 400 years back and now also. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.